in this video we are doing an unboxing. I have made an order from Floreria Secret Garden, and I really hope that this will be the last order for 2018, but that is at least what I am aiming for, because to be quite honest, I don't really have any more space in my orchid collection, so I should limit myself, let's say, until I will have a proper house with a greenhouse and everything. So we shall see, but until then, this one has a lot of fruits. I don't really know what it is, but it has a ton of fruits. I'm not sure if I was in focus. So alright, it is it's looking great. I paid for this beautiful Zygopetalum only €5, and you will see in a second how good it looks. It is looking like. It is a very, very healthy one. I really couldn't resist to make this order, even though, to be quite honest, I didn't get paid it because I don't have right now money for orchids, but the offer was just good, so I kindly asked the seller to ship it to me, and I will pay him later, and he was kind enough to do that for me. So as I was saying, the offer was amazing. These orchids look really, really good. Okay, it is green now. And I wasn't even aware this orchid was so big. Here I have two more spikes, but they are a bit yellowish, so I'm not sure if they will survive or not. I will put her into brighter light, so maybe I will be able to save them. The orchid has a lot of pseudobulbs, has 3 big pseudobulbs, a 4th one now that is maturing with these. By the way, I don't really remember right now the name, but maybe I will put it on the screen. This is a Zygopetalum orchid, and it is supposed to be fragrant. Right now it doesn't smell like anything, but I'm sure it will smell once it will catch some light. The orchid is very healthy, has a lot of roots. It is not shriveled at all, and it even has roots from the bottom of the pot. So I will put this aside, and let's see what else we have in here. I swear to you, these guys pack the orchids really, really good, but it's so hard to unpack them. Like, I really have a hard job to do. And for this orchid that you are about to see, I paid let's see, 45 RON, about €10, and it is another Zygopetalum with a spike which seems to be yellowing, so I don't think it will survive more, but the mother plant itself is super, super healthy. Okay, gently. Okay, this looks amazing, guys. I have a ton of pseudobulbs. I will try to count them for you, the mature ones and then the new growths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pseudobulbs. 1, 2, 3 and 4 new growths. So this has quite a lot of quite a lot of directions of growth, and we can see here it has another spike. This is similar to the Zygopetalum Rosy bloom. This is super fragrant. Only this bloom seems to be yellowing, but the other ones seem okay. And I'm rather sure from these other ones we will see also spikes. So that is quite interesting, guys. A super healthy plant for only 10 euros. Look at this. I hope you can see the size of this plant. It's huge. And look at the deformation of the pot. I am not sure if you can see that, but this is because the orchid is absolutely full of roots. So this needs to be repotted into a bigger pot as soon. Oh, it even has an accordion-like leaf because it is a huge orchid. It requires a lot of moisture. Look at that. So yeah, quite a nice one. A very nice one actually. Okay, and now we have two more orchids. Okay, let's unpack this as well. As you can most probably already see, this is a Cattleya orchid, and it's quite a bushy one. Oh my god, it's so beautiful! I wasn't even aware the blooms were so large. I know Dani had this orchid in the past, and this is called, or she identified it as a cross between Lelia Bridgeri and something else, and she called it Cattleya lemon pie because she said the blooms smell like a lemon pie. But well, I will put her into brighter light, but let's unpack it completely so you can also see exactly how it looks like. And for this one, I don't really remember right now the price. I think it was 5 or 6 euros. And it is a very big orchid. Such a big Cattleya, guys. I'm so happy. Finally. So here we see that we had a sheet which didn't produce it was the first sheet the orchid produced, and then it grew this huge suitable with 2 leaves. It is a bifoliate Cattleya, and it seems like it has a sheet, but as we can see, the blooms appeared before the new growth was fully mature. Here I see some roots that have been munched by snails, so I will make sure I will put some snail pellets there, because we don't want any new roots to get munched again. I will develop here the base. It does seem to have quite a few roots inside the pot. I will see if I can actually look at it better. See, so here is the root system. It doesn't look extremely well, but they are alive. They are just brown, but that is okay. And we have also green roots here. So yeah, once this orchid starts again to grow new roots, she will go into semi-hydro. I am sure she will love it. But look at these blooms, guys. They're amazing, amazing ones. I will ask Dani if this looks like her old Cattleya, because she is quite large, and I thought that hers was a bit smaller, or at least that how it looks like. Really beautiful one. And it is the first time that she blooms, and she has 4 blooms, so that is a good number. It seems that a petal or a sepal actually broke off, but that is okay. It is a sensitive orchid to transport. And the last one. Oh my god, the blooms are so gorgeous, guys. Can you see that? Can you even see that? Oh my god, this orchid is very healthy and very bushy. Look at these gorgeous blooms, guys. Look how big it is. And I'm not sure if my camera can pick up in real life this color, because it is amazing. Here I seem that I have a malformation, because this petal is united with a sepal. Look at that. But that is okay, she's gorgeous. She is a bit fragrant right now, but I cannot really describe her fragrance right now. I will let her catch some natural sunlight, and I will do an ID video, or ID video in my dreams, because this orchid is unidentified, but I was trying to say that I will show to you her blooms again, and show to you how or describe how it smells like once she will receive a bit more sunlight, because from the box she is not particularly fragrant. I have one new growth here, a second one here, and look how big she is. She is amazing. So, okay guys, of course my camera did go out of battery, and that is what happened there, but the video was pretty much done anyway. I'm just showing you again the pretty orchids that I bought these days, or at least the ones that are in bloom. These are freesias, of course, and they'll close now. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will be more than happy to answer them for you. Thank you very much for watching, and see you all next time. Bye!